performing leg press. So before performing the leg press, we'll start with two important things. First is the safety setup. Almost every good machine has a safety setup where you can adjust the range according to your limit. Some people can take the weight all the way down, some people cannot. It has a lot of factors involved in. Some people don't have that kind of mobility, some people might be obese. So there are a lot of reasons to it. So according to that, we'll adjust the safety setup. Then the second one is the seat setup. So if the seat is too high like this, some people might not be able to bring their knee all the way down. So for that, in that case, you keep the bench down and then you do the leg press. So we'll show you how to perform it. So we'll be showing you the safety setup. So Shivan will be performing leg press for you. Yeah. As you can see, the platform is hitting the safety bar because he has more range. So in that case, what we'll do, we'll decrease the safety bar's height and then we'll perform the exercise. So now he is able to bring the platform much lower than before. So keep this in mind while you set up the safety bar. So now we'll look at the seat setting. So for Shivam, this particular seat setting allow him to do maximum range. So if you see, with this setting, he can bring the weight all the way down and then push, yes. Okay. But for some people, what happens is they might not be able to bring it all the way down if the seat setting is high. So for them, you can always put the seat down. I'll show you. They can always take the seat slightly behind and then they can perform the exercise. So the idea here is go for a seat setting which allow you maximum range of motion. So now we look at the feet placement. So Shivam. So here Shivam took a stance which is slightly wider than his shoulder width and the toe is slightly out. But the problem is people go for a stance which is generalized and which is a standard size. There is no standard feet placement because every other people has different kind of mobility, different kind of flexibility in their joints, and other factors also chip in. So we should take a stance which allow us to carry the maximum weight with maximum control and to maintain the proper form. So if you're taking a stance which is too short or too wide, and if it doesn't allow you to do more weights with perfect control, that stance is not right for you. Find a stance which allow you maximum range of motion with maximum weight with maximum control. So while performing exercise, you should make sure that your hip doesn't lift. So now he's performing exercise, he's bringing as low as possible. But if he tries to bring it lower than that, see, you can see his hip lifting up like this from the platform. We should make sure we don't bring it too low so that our hip doesn't lift.